So, if you've seen the previous video of loading the stage, then this is the follow-up from that video. If you haven't seen the previous video, it will be in the description down below. If you had opened MMD, miku dance, loaded the model and the stage, then the next thing you're doing is very simple. Load the accessory. When you check the lower right side where it says logo, and there's some letters saying XYZ.
Let's do this.
Hover close to the word and then click it until it says accessory. Once that word is selected, leave it like that. Then go to the lower near middle section that says accessory manipulation. Click load and select. You should be seeing an .x file. Select it and open it. You should be seeing the object in a few seconds. When you check back where the XYZ, you should be seeing the letters with some arrows in the form of a circle, and the other one in a side-to-side arrow.
This is the way.
Moving the lower section of the XYZ areas to play around to see the effects. Each letter moves the accessory in different angles / position. Now that you know this, the next video would be a big help and a key to move accessory.